During the school holidays, Max and Min were at the sports club helping to organise a tennis competition. 19 children had registered for the games, which would be played in singles, that is, by 2 players, 1 player against the other, and also played in doubles, that is, by 4 players, a team of 2 players against another team of 2. The twins were asked to work out how many singles matches and how many doubles matches would be played by 19 competitors. Min would work out how many singles matches, that is, how many times would 2 divide into 19, and Max would work out how many doubles matches, that is, how many times would 4 divide into 19. Can you think of ways to work out how many matches? Pause the video and give it some thought. Min got some paper and a pencil and drew small circles in pairs to represent the groups of 2 players in singles matches, just like this. Using this method, she could see from her drawing that 9 pairs, that is, 9 lots of 2 players, would make 18 players, and there would be 1 child left over to make up the 19 total. They would have to work out a fair way to involve that leftover child. Max decided to use a number line and repeated subtraction to work out how many groups of 4 players could be made from the 19 children. He drew a number line on a sheet of paper, marked the number 19 on it at the right end, and started to jump 4 places to the left, which means subtracting 4 each time until he could not jump any more lots of 4, just like this. Using this method, he could see that you would get 4 groups of 4 players from the 19 children and have 3 children left over. Again, they would have to work out a fair way to involve those leftover children. Now you can watch this video again or try the quiz and look at the chart that comes with this video.